welcome back. So today's word is play, all right? So that's my intention for this workout. We're just gonna play. We're gonna play with our bodies and sort of find these maybe different positions that you're not used to going into. Just trust the process and really just listen to your body and have fun with it, okay? So let's get started. Lie down on your back to start off with, just so we can warm up all those muscles that we need to, right? So heaviness into the mat, all your bones. Start to breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Good, little pelvic curls. Forward, back, side to side. Think of it like a clock. We go from 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock to 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock. And just kind of find that. And then you can circle around the clock one direction and circle it the other way. Good. Take your hands out to the sides and then just let those windshield wipers happen. Pulling the wrist in and over. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Just find your breath. And then we're just going to pick up the pace a little bit. And I just want you to feel sort of a flow, just how your body naturally pulls itself back into position. And just a few more. Again, listen to your body. Good, and come to center. Let's get some chest lifting here. So I'm going to cross your heart. You're going to float your chest up and then bring it back down. Inhale, exhale, and lower. Exhale, lift it up. Let's stay there. Reach your arms on an inhale. Exhale, try to flex your ribs in and up more to create more distance. Let go of those arms and roll it back down. Good. We come up, reach, pull, let go, roll it down. One more time. Reach those elbows forward, stretch. Exhale, try to lift from the ribs a little higher. Stretch and roll it on down. Take your hands behind your head and flex it up and lower down. Lift up and lower. Let's lift up, hold it there, and let's find a diagonal here as we pull that rib under towards your hip bone, come through center, other way. We lift over, center, and down. So we're trying to find little diagonals in our body, opposite rib, opposite hip. Now stay up and we'll just do little quick crosses. We got 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Hug your thighs into your chest. Use them to help lift yourself up. Good. We're going to go over to all fours now and we're going to work with those crosses again. So come to hands and knees. We're just going to sort of tuck the tail under, pull the heart up towards the sky, articulate the other way, and press the heart forward. And tuck, scoop, heart lifts, heart pushes forward. Good, and come to center. All right, so from here, I want you to take your left arm and right leg and just reach them. Now the key here is what happened to your low back, the tailbone, the sacrum. We want to try to keep this level. So if there was like a bowl of soup lit right on your pelvis, it's not going to spill. So let's try the other arm and leg again. All right, so now right hand, left arm. Try to do it and really stay still right in that sacrum area, the pelvis. And then lower down. Try the other side. We reach and lower. So it's not about how high you lift, right? Because if I lift too high, I'm going to tilt. It's really about the length. stretch and alternate, trying not to shift our weight too much. One more each side. Good, now I want you to hold opposite arm and leg. I have my right leg, my left arm. Now notice what's happening in the ribs. You want to really pull the ribs in as you keep sort of the chest heavy. All right, so our sacrum is trying to lower a little bit as our ribs lift up. So right here, push down, lift the ribs, hold that. All right, so we're holding this nice cross, and now float the opposite arm. Now I want you to take yourself to the arm that's down, shift your weight over towards that arm and bring it forward, the weight. And then as we come back, bring the weight back towards this leg and back. So we come over and up, over and back. And see if you can find that sort of diagonal in your body. Right? We're trying to just bring awareness to it. How the rib and the hip are connected. Good. Try the other side, arm and leg. Now I'm going to shift the weight over to the arm that's down and bring it forward. And as I go back, I take it over towards the leg. Inhale. Exhale. And I'm trying to keep my sacrum as sort of square as possible. Still want that bowl of soup there, not spilling. And then we take it back down to center. Okay, so now I want you to take your weight over to one side, arm and leg. So I'm going to go to my right side. So my weight goes there. And then I'm going to start to gaze, and my body's going to follow my gaze as I lift up. And I want you to really just focus on taking up space here, okay? Reach. And then do you find that rib to hip connection? All right, that's what's important here. Find the diagonals, find the connection. And remember, we're playing today, right? So just don't be so serious. Hold right there, and then just let it go. All right, I'm going to try the other side. My back's going to go to you, but I'm going to place my weight onto my left side. My bottom leg does turn a little bit to help. My gaze goes forward as my body follows my gaze as I look up. All right, so finding that diagonal, really reaching into the star pose, and then come back down. All right, so now we're going to go side to side. Again, play with this. Try not to be serious. This is playful. Take your body, reach it big, bring it back down. And lift and reach. Use your rib and hip connection. That's what's going to really hold you. Stretch long. Good. And stretch long. All right, we got one more each side. Inhale. Ah. Hello, star. Lift. Beautiful. Come to center. Stretch it back just for a sec. Nice work. All right, we want to get off those wrists, circle them around because we're going to go back on the wrists, okay? So now we're going to do some plank work. And I know this is a little bit more challenging than other days, but that's why I called it playful. So I want us to have fun with this, okay? We're meant to hold our body weight up, okay? So if you need to take breaks, but I want you to really try to do this here. We're going to go into a plank position, and we're going to focus on our sacrum and our rib. So our pelvis and our rib. So I want you to get the sacrum heavy, your tailbone heavy, but lift the ribs up. Do you feel that? So if I go too low and I don't have my rib connection, I lose that, right? I want to lower, but lift the ribs. Nice long spine. And let's just hold it here 5 more seconds. 5, 4, just focusing on that connection. 3, 2, 1. Lower down and sit it back. Really good job. All right, we're going to go one more time just in that position, okay? This is our last exercise, and we're going to do some little leg lifts, okay? So remember, we've done those leg lifts on the floor with our pelvis down. Now, we got to do it with our legs up. So find that plank, sacrum down, ribs up, and we're just going to lift a leg, lower. Lift, small little lifts. It's like taps up, tap up. And we're trying to just keep our sacrum still. Ribs up. Let's go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Soften your elbows. 3, 2, 1. Good. Drop down. Really good. Yay, you did it. Come on up. Beautiful. All right, so let's just do a little centering, recenter. I know it was a tough one today, but it was quick, right? And just sort of have fun. Key is you can smile when you do this work and it helps. Scoop your back, come up, and then push the ribs forward and down. Good, try that again. Just scoop it back. Up. Beautiful. Let's do a little twist here. Look over your shoulder. So remember, your body always follows your gaze. So wherever you're looking, your body does follow. One more each side. Good. Come to center and then just give me a little side bend over. Oh, feel those ribs up and in. And switch. Good. One more each side. Good. And then recenter. Let's reach our arms up on an inhale. Exhale, pull them right into the center. Close your eyes here and just sort of smile and enjoy the feeling of your body as it sort of did some hard work today. But really good job. You were connected. You did great. Nice work. Okay, so I'll see you again tomorrow. Have fun. Remember, play today.